Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Life360 class action lawsuit. So as you can see, class action lawsuit accuses Life360's tile tracking device of violating privacy and enabling stalking. So as you can see, the tile tracking device, designed to help people find the lost key luggage, is an invaluable tool stalkers use to harass their victims, a proposed class action lawsuit alleges. The suit, filed August 14 in the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California, also alleges that the Tile.Inc.'s partnership with Amazon.com Inc. exponentially increases the device value to stalkers. Using this technology, a person can place a tracking device on keys, luggage, a wallet, or a pet and track someone's whereabouts. The complaint says that Life360 Inc. purchased Tile in 2021. That same year, the company partnered with Amazon to access company's mesh network of Bluetooth connectivity, aggregated by Amazon, and a lot more. So you're not actually entitled to something basically from them. It is basically just them being sued for their device getting used by stalkers. So as you can see even here on Reddit, how much should I expect from the Life360 lawsuit? Alabama resident. This person even said, if you get more than $1, I would consider you very lucky. So that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.